One of the features of our website is the bulletin board. Let's take a look. After logging in, click on Community Communications where you will see several choices. Click on Bulletin Board. The next screen is the bulletin board. Here you will see up to 6 timely notices for the community. Make sure you scroll down to see them all. Some notices have the option of clicking on a link to the document referenced in the notice to download it onto your computer, iPad, or smartphone. Note that some computers will also display the document in your browser. You can always go back to the home page or to another feature of the website. Let's click on Home in the upper left of the screen. If you have a smartphone, click on the 3-line hamburger in the upper left of the screen to see the home page options. Now, click on Community Communications and then Bulletin Board. Make sure to scroll to see all the notices. When you're finished, click on the hamburger in the upper left of the screen and then Home, or go to another feature. Thank you for watching. See you soon.